DAX Cobra CT3. The DAX is one of the markets that you want to trade when VIX is low, and VIX is currently low right now. I want to show you that. So here's the intraday chart yesterday of the VIX. Massive drop from earlier this week at 13.8 on Thursday. This level here, 13.9 on Wednesday. All the way below, VIX was dipping below 12 into the 11s yesterday. So we're in for low VIX. Notification from TradeStation that equity prices are, equity margins are decreasing. So the margin department is decreasing equity margins for longs and shorts for overnight. And so that's another indication that the industry overall expects this continued low volatility. So what to do during low volatility? I have a lot of strategies that work well during low volatility in the stock index portfolio. And this is a strategy, the DAX, Cobra CT3. I have CT3, CT4, CT5. And I want to show you the results for this. So these are the results for the DAX. And it's in US dollars. You can also change this to euros and see the results in euros. And there are the results in euros. Here is the equity curve. And since, let's see, March of 2016, had this nice upward equity curve. And then from June of 2009 to 2012, 3-year period there, that was nice. And so we've had another 3-year run and towards low volatility. And the trend is low volatility, so as long as the trend is low during this time period, 2012 through, I guess right here, 2016, chopping the equity curve. What to do? I would not recommend trading DAX Cobra CT3 raw. I would recommend trading it with the money management algorithms. These are 2 ways to use the money management algorithm on the right. And on the right, taking a look at the money management algorithms, you could trade the DAX. You see the trades too on Friday. Nice, really nice entries. Here are some recent trades. I want to show you the recent trades. So kind of a break-even trade there. Nice dip buying there. Nice dip buying here. And, you know, some more trades here. Just looking at all the dip buying opportunities. You have some losing trades here. I want to show you those as well. You buy the dip, and you know, I think 3 losses that day. So you're going to have losing days as well. You're going to have sharp sell-offs and get caught up in that when you buy the dips. And so let's take a look at, I'm updating all the latest results on the DAX strategies because VIX is low. And it gives you a better opportunity to trade the DAX. But you really want to trade this with the money management algorithms. Let me show you why. Here is the base strategy. And when you look at the money management algorithm, this is the first one over here using average trade profit. And when you use the average trade profit, let's put this back in euros, you really decrease the drawdown. It was let's see, over here the drawdown was, max drawdown was 92.8750 euros, 53 euro average trade profit. Over here you go to 71 euro average trade profit. And 42.1250 drawdown, so you more than cut that drawdown in half, which we love to do that. Here's the equity curve, much better equity curve. But the degradation algorithm, the combination of rules 8 and 9 or rule 12 and 6 are the best ways to use a degradation algorithm. So I'm clicked on this chart, and here is DAX Cobra CT3 with the money management algorithm using our base degradation algorithm. I want to show you the results though first using the euro. 103 average trade profit on the euros, 29.25 euro drawdown. Love that. That's a closed trade drawdown, that's what we're concerned about from a trade-to-trade basis. And right at equity peak, so really nice equity curve. I'll show you what we did with this. So format strategies, and we're using a limit entry. There's multiple entry techniques you can use. Pick the limit entry, or the market entry, or the stop entry, or the pinpoint entry. When you pick the limit entry, or the stop entry, or the pinpoint entry, you also select the points. But only pick one of these on the entries. Entry techniques, only one. Rules 7, 8, and 9 is what I used on this actually. And so the degradation algorithm is rules 8 and 9. We've talked about that before, the degradation algorithm. And in rules 8 and 9, we're using 20 and 50. Period moving average. By default, these are the same value. When you get the money management algorithms, these are the same value. And so if you use rules 8 and 9, and the L1 is the same value, you will get no trades. These have to be different values to use both of these rules at the same time because they're opposites of each other. And so when you use opposite rules of each other with different L1s, then you get trades, and it basically is buying a degradation or a drawdown in the equity curve. And then you also have a drawdown stop. So you're buying the drawdown, but you have a drawdown stop, and that is on Rule 7, 3,000. If you go into a $3,000 drawdown, you stop and you wait for the equity curve to move up by 5,000, and so that is the setup for this. I'll show you the results again. Then we're going to remove Rule 7 so you can see the difference. So I'm going to remove Rule 7, and you can see the difference. And again, this chart over here is looking at the base chart for the drawdown, and so we take out this, and we're taking a look at Cobra CT3 with rules 7, 8, and 9, a degradation algorithm with the drawdown stop. And I'm waiting for the update to happen here. So just with rules 8 and 9, you get a little bit more total net profit. Your average trade comes back down a little bit. Your drawdown goes up a little bit. Not bad for the DAX to have such a low drawdown. Here is the equity curve. Really nice results since April of 2015. The worst case drawdown since April of 2015 is less. I think it's around 3,000 euros if you just go from this point forward. So right at equity peaks, and that is the DAX Cobra CT3. Again, I'm updating the results, and we'll have all these in the members area for the money management algorithm soon, so you can trade these. Let me know if you want to trade them sooner. I'll set you up, as it takes a while to update the members area. And we have DAX Cobra CT4, DAX Cobra CT5, and also included is Cobra CT3 that's included with the money management algorithms. These are all open codes, so you have them as a lifetime license.